are you doing? Yeah. Yeah. Are you okay? Are you okay? Your kuya is coming today. Toby is coming home. He will be staying with us for some days. Are you excited? Kuya kommer. Kuya di. Toby. Soon. Kuya kommer. Ikke nå. Wait, vänta. He thought Toby is coming. Right now, not yet. It's later. Oh, Daddy is driving his other car. Full of things. The other car is broken. Trying to fix. It's not actually broken. Yeah, your daddy is there. It's his working car. So many things. -5 today, guys. Daddy is out working. It's difficult when it's minus. Hi, Daddy Pig.
Hi, Mommy Pig.
What are you doing?
Getting angry.
It's okay?
No.
Hi guys, welcome to Daddy's garage. So messy.
Yeah, show them how your sofa is standing.
Oh, someone wants to buy that. Is it possible?
Of course, when the car will be able to drive. The sofa is standing there.
I can't see.
If you go.
Wolfen, come on, come on. Okay. So cold today. Let's get inside. It's winter still. Oh my gosh. What happened? What happened? So cold outside. What happened so cold outside? Yes, it is. We need to go back. Hi guys, this is my dog Ulf. Very beautiful. Very cutie pie. Wants to play all the time. Penny, Penny, Penny. Sit. Sit, sit. Sit, give it, sit. Sit, sit. Sit down. He wants to get something. It's a prank. Why do you keep on eating? Sit, sit. Are you so darling? Are you so darling? Are you so darling? Imaginary tricks? Nabilha. Oh, so good boy. Leave it. Sugar. Stalker, guys. It's actually nothing. It's a prank. We pranked our dog and he went through it. He's such a doggy dog. Good job, Fanny. We're gonna go shopping. Buy some goobit for you. No more. It's no more. Oh, Famay, there's no more Dali goobit. Kiss, mommy. Kiss. Mwah. Kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, mommy. Kiss. Kiss, mommy. Good boy. Okay na. Say goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for being with me in this journey. My life as a puppy doggy dog. No more. Okay, this one. This one. This is toy we got from Tante Guru. Kissy, kissy. Kissy, kissy. I love you. I love you. I love you. Sit. I love you. I love you. I love you, good boy. Leave it. Leave it. Washoo. Good boy. Are you so good boy, Wolf? Once again, once again. Wanna see me? See somebody. You don't wanna leave there. Where the elephant? It's Daddy. Daddy's working outside. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Are you watching Daddy work? Elephant. This is his spot. He likes to sit there. Hi, Kuya! Hi! Kuya is home. Hi, Toby. Toby is home. Hi, Langga. Hi, Liam.